Hi viewers, welcome to my channel.
Hi everyone. Today, in this video we'll be discussing about how to become a web developer. This is the content in this video I want to show you. Before going to video, like this video and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Introduction. Hello and welcome to this video on how to become a web developer. Web development is one of the most sought after careers in the tech industry. With the world becoming more and more digital, the demand for web developers is only increasing. In this video, I'll take you through the steps that you can follow to become a successful web developer. Step 1. Learn the basics. The first step towards becoming a web developer is to learn the basics of programming. You can start with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are the three building blocks of any website. Learn the syntax, semantics, and basic concepts of each language. You can find many free resources online to get started. Step 2. Choose a specialization. Web development is a broad field, and it's important to choose a specialization. You can choose to specialize in front-end development, back-end development, or full-stack development. Front-end developers work on the user interface and user experience of a website. Back-end developers work on the server side of a website, handling databases and server-side scripting. Full-stack developers work on both front-end and back-end development. Step 3. Practice and build projects. The key to becoming a successful web developer is to practice and build projects. Start with simple projects, and gradually move on to more complex ones. You can work on personal projects or contribute to open source projects. This will not only help you build your portfolio but also improve your skills. Step 4. Keep learning. Web development is a constantly evolving field, and it's important to keep up with the latest trends and technologies. Attend webinars, conferences, and workshops. Read blogs and follow industry leaders on social media. Keep learning and expanding your knowledge. Step 5. Build your portfolio. A strong portfolio is essential for landing a job as a web developer. Showcase your projects, skills, and experience on your portfolio website. This will help you stand out from other candidates. Conclusion. So there you have it, the steps you can follow to become a successful web developer. Remember, it takes time and effort to become a good developer, but with dedication and hard work, you can achieve your goal. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your journey to becoming a web developer. If you have any question, ask in the comment section. Like this video and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.